Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open your glove box all the way down on the Honda Accord 2007 or the Honda Accord Euro 2007. So sometimes you might want to open it all the way down so you can replace the air filter on inside, the air conditioner air filter. So to do that, what you want to do is open this one up, and on the side here there is a small clip you want to pull out on each side. Over here you can also see there is a small clip right here. You push in like this. You can see right there it's holding by that plastic right there, so you just want to push it out. Now the same is on this side, so it's easy if you can do it with two hands. So you want to pull down, and then over here you want to push, and then it just come off like this, and then it just come out. You just push it down like this, and it'll come down. Once it's come down, you can then gain access to the electrical components in here, so you can replace certain things in here. You can add in additional stuff by attaching some electrical wire here. You can also replace the air filter in here as well. There is the air filter in here that you can pull out up here. So in here there is an air filter you can push in, and this will allow you to take out the air filter. So in here there is an air filter that you can also take it out. And after that you can put up. There is a lever right here that you need to push up or pull down. Right, so you can just close it like this, and then that just stay in place. And then you attach this lever in here into the hook, and then you can just close it, and that's it. So that's how you can open the glove box all the way down, so you can gain access behind the glove box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.